Looking for some funny psychological facts about love, life, relationships, and everything else in between? You are in the right place. In this video, you will find funny psychological facts that you can use for whatever you like. Psychology helps you understand why people do and say certain things. Let's begin. The length of your tongue has a lot to say about your sexuality. The human brain size has decreased by 10% since we were hunter-gatherers. Women are attracted to men who are mysterious, have beards, and don't smile a lot. 97% of people write down their own names when given a new pen. 70% of people are unable to tap their thumb knuckle against their lower teeth with their eyes closed 16 times without getting dizzy. People who sleep a lot, they are very sad. The human brain size has decreased by 10% since we were hunter-gatherers. When you study too much psychology, you won't be able to get mad easily at other people. People who gives the most advice are the ones with the most problems. The smarter a person is, the faster he thinks and the sloppier his handwriting is. Gossip triggers chemicals in the brain that makes you like longer and become happier. Shy people are smarter and trustworthy. Speaking and encouraging yourself in front of a mirror will make you mentally stronger. For the first 3 seconds after waking up from sleep, you won't be able to remember anything. 18 to 33-year-old people are the most stressed on earth.